Yes, so now you don't focus. Yes, so sometimes I start with zooming it in.
Oh yeah. It's such a good camera, honestly.
It's very sharp.
So
it's very
good.
expensive though. It's
It
Mark
must
5D
be.
Mark 3 brows though.
I know, basically my brows are a bit messy, and I know that I always like them to be neat when I come.
Look
Last
at you.
time I wanted them to be neat when I came to you, so I made sure I got them threaded.
Yeah, you always do that.
And
Look
then-
at you, you're such a diva. Like,
Because I wanted to be perfect.
Look at you.
I got them threaded 2 weeks ago, and then yesterday they started to grow a bit, so I just cleaned it up here.
Wow.
So that today will be okay.
diva. Pretty face. This is why it's good to do makeup on pretty face.
So much better care of my skin. Because before I didn't used to drink a lot of water. I didn't used to clean my face properly.
Water is the deal.
But-
Water goes a long way. I have not used this for a long time, so it's good for me to use it today. Makeup magnesia is the deal, like the real deal.
When you want your face, when you want
that matte look, This is Bay. When you want that matte look.
In Nigeria, because I'm gonna be hot, I'm gonna be using milk of magnesia.
Yes, girl, that's it.
Because it's gonna be so hot there.
Yeah, makeup magnesia.
Lancome before as well.
Yeah, I've used because my brows.
Yeah.
You know I do my brows after.
Oh yeah, you do.
So when I actually use other foundation, they don't dry quick. So when I'm doing the brows, it doesn't get that.
But this dries.
Yeah, this dries, and when I do the brows, it just stays boom on the face. Yeah. So you guys, NW45 Mac, NW45. So when you have the makeup magnesia and you have this, everything will be like dried up.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so when you do the brows, it just sits. Yeah, Lancome, I love it. But when I apply Lancome, and I want to do the brows, it becomes slippery.
That's
it
the
happened
only
the
thing.
last time I do the last lady I did,
Yeah.
I use what did I use? I use Bobbi Brown.
Oh, what are their foundations like? I've never used
It's
them.
good, but the thing that's about it is what I don't like. Like I said,
Yeah.
it doesn't dry like matte.
Oh, it's yes.
So when I do, so the last the model,
Yeah.
her brows wasn't where I love my brows to be.
Oh.
Because they keep moving about.
It's slippery.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you use MAC for yourself as well then?
Of course, that's my go-to.
The thing is, when you used MAC on me the last time I did it, it was just perfect. And when I've used it for myself, I always get spots around there,
Easy.
and I don't know why. So it must
Do
be
you use
your
BB
technique.
blender?
No, that might be why actually.
Maybe the sponge you use, then maybe it's dirty. Because
Because I
is good because
use,
I can always use it, new one for different.
Oh yeah, because I use a foundation brush, but I guess a lot of people use Beauty Blender now, so it's a lot better, isn't it?
It's easier because then you can just change it up. You can have 20, and you can just change it up for different people,
That's
isn't it?
true,
And just
actually.
wash it.
That's true.
Or like, especially for your own use as well, because when you use a brush, you don't actually wash it every day, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
But
Beauty
Beauty
Blender can just
Blender,
squeeze it off.
and it will dry quickly.
But brush, when you wash it too much, it won't last that long
Yeah.
as well. So yeah. So guys, highlighting and contouring, okay. I use MAC and Studio Finish. You know the one in the pot.
Yeah,
so I
yeah.
deported them and put them here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so it's easier. So I just scoop them out. Okay, so this is the one I scooped out. Nothing crazy, so not too light as well. So look.
I use NW45 when I have used MAC that I wouldn't be able to use NT, but I
Easy.
can. I can't
Yeah,
believe
because
this.
it's highlighter though, you can. Why not?
Yeah, I can't believe
Yeah,
this.
because it's just to highlight the face. When it's highlighter, I can actually use NC.
Oh.
Yeah, go look.
And this is NC45?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
It's
to
that
get this.
subtle highlight color.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. The nose, my favorite part. Oh my god.
Your nose is so small there.
Oh, you're lucky. Your nose, you might not have to.
You don't have a big nose though.
I do. Jesus
You
Christ.
don't.
If
You
I
do
don't
not have a
contour,
big
okay.
nose.
You wait. My nose have to be contoured like real contour to the gods, not just not just like contour. Yeah, proper. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and usually it looks a bit more yellow, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know. Maybe it's fake. I don't know. Banana powder. Boom. remember.
She
Wow.
actually said, she was speaking to my mum the other day, and she said she spent over £200 on Fenty Beauty.
Easy.
I know. She said she was
can
so
buy
disappointed. She said she was disappointed though.
No.
She bought things that she didn't
Yeah,
need to buy.
they say some of their, even their lipstick is not that, it's not like pigmented.
It's nothing special, yeah.
It's not pigmented. They just celebrity. Because it's me. I'm don't spend money like that because I've learned my lesson in the past. Because before I used to buy like crazy. When any
Everything
makeup,
that's hyped up.
any makeup that comes out before, my goodness, I buy it like immediately. But now
no.
I've had enough.
Yeah.
So I just use what works for me.
That's better.
Okay. See that face? Giving her the cheekbone. Giving her the cheekbone, guys.
Because someone who's not used to makeup, when they see your face like
Thank
this,
you. You know, if I'm doing your makeup, your dad comes out and like,
yeah,
no.
he'd say, "What is this?"
You're like, it's too much.
Yeah.
Like this.
But
is
he
too
doesn't
much.
understand that you have
Thank
to
you.
do this
No,
to
you're
get
like,
the finished
You're
look.
like, that is too much. That is too much. You're not even. NW45 to set. Okay. Then you have to be prepared to make it finish and look like you didn't even apply anything. Yes, so that's what I did. I just set the other side.
I love how symmetrical everything looks as well.
Easy. I mean, brows is the one that needs to be on flake, guys. So draw this on. Yep. See 45 as well for the I don't do the top, you know. I don't even need
You don't even need to.
yeah, see? You don't need to. And this is so I don't like doing the beginning.
You don't like what's it called?
Like doing
Putting the
the
highlight there.
yeah, because sometimes when you put it, look like it's
It just suddenly stops.
yeah. So I just like it to like naturally
Mm.
go from that, nothing to that. I'm gonna do this pink here. Okay. On the crease, just here. Exactly, a little more tip. So guys, black on the outer V here, just to define that place even more. Look like so. So now I'm gonna put the color. Ooh, look at that. We glitter it everywhere. See?
My favorite part.
Yes, main color, guys. The purple glitter. This is from eBay, you guys. And this is why you have to leave the banana powder underneath as well. Because when you're
Brush
doing
away
this,
excess
yeah,
glitter.
when you're applying glitters, you can have some fallout. So when the banana powder is there, or any setting powder at all, just kind of brush it out.
I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Oh my god! I'm gonna mix all these. Wow. Yeah.
What should I keep? Oh.
Shake, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use the same color that I use. There's no color here. See? If you want a little, let's see. Yeah. So warm it up. So circular motion is good. To the other side. Warm it up in circular motion.
Has changed over the years.
You know,
like, people wonder what the next trend is gonna be.
She is going for that her kind of makeup, which is like every contouring and blush palette. Yeah, this one is a blush. This one here is a blush, and it's actually very good.
Really?
Yeah, from Slake. See, like natural kind of color. But because resin is not too bright, so
Yeah.
I'll do a little bit of resin there. Just here, just there, just a little bit here. Just to warm that place up. Yes, just a warm. Just put it just right here. Just see, nice. The other way too. See. That's how you're gonna frame your face. Okay. Gotta frame that face. Ooh, girl, looking like a doll. Looking like a doll. She's dolled up. This is the true definition of dolled up. Still go. Guys, makeup is not easy.
It's not.
It's not
Oh my
easy.
gosh.
Not for everyone. So if you don't have patience, it's not easy. We're doing this lipstick, okay? And I'm gonna put another lighter one on top. So this one is from Lime Creme. It's called Faded. It's not, guys. So I'm gonna just line that.
Pinks. Pinks I'm always scared to go for, but it looks amazing. So
Oh, so these are with
from
nudes.
now on.
So not with the nudes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm always with nudes, but I think I'm gonna have to be trying these colours in the
Yeah,
future
why
because it is really, really
Why
working
not?
for me.
Lip gloss. This one is called Lickable, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. Just to give that little bit of something. And let me do mascara, then Gilly time. Gilly time. This is my mascara. Nails color.
I know.
No way!
It matches.
Oh my god!
And I just did them this weekend as well. It's like I knew.
No! This one I didn't realize that was your nail color. Wow! This is crazy. Oh dear.
It was meant to be.
You know? Like it's your wedding day. You. Not even to the next second. So just you can you just so like it's okay, be like that, she can go like this. Not so much like I can go I saw. Yeah, you know. Crazy times. Spray. Yeah, glow the face a bit more.
Absolutely beautiful. I feel like someone's bride. Like I'm ready to go to my traditional wedding right now. Make sure you book the beautician chick, guys. She's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I feel so beautiful.
Thank you.